Hey, this video is going out to David Raj Perry. He asked, how do you start affiliate marketing with no email list? All right, let's do this.
$10, yeah, $10. Every click I get, I make it $10. Let's go.
All right, and I'm gonna do a little bit better, David. We're gonna talk about how to dominate and destroy your competition. That's right, when it comes to PPC. The good thing is that your competition is probably crapola. All right, so let's get on with the video. Thank you. So first off, I have to ask you, David, what makes you want to do affiliate marketing in the first place? There's nothing fun about getting Google ads suspended, or you know what, your landing page isn't good enough, so they haven't approved your ad, and all the headaches that it brings. Just to let you know, I mean, we're gonna go into it, and I'm gonna talk about how you can dominate with affiliate marketing and with pay-per-click advertising, but at the same time, I just wanted to make sure that if you need a little money in your pocket first, there's easier ways to do it. Domaining, starting a little agency by yourself, fulfilling services, fulfilling projects for other professionals, whether it's you know how to do graphic design or you know how to build websites. And once you get into doing PPC and you're doing affiliate marketing, you could have clients that are paying you to do that type of thing, and then you can expand. You can hire people, first start with an assistant, etc. Just wanted to get that out of the way, and then we're going to jump into it. All right, but I just want to get that out of the way first because there are easier ways to do it. Pay-per-click advertising and affiliate marketing are like on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the hardest thing to do. When it comes to this universe of online business, all the different business models you could do, it's like a 7, you know what I mean? On a scale of 1 to 10, just let you know. All right, so a little bit of background. When I first got started, the first thing I did was pay-per-click advertising. There was no YouTube out there yet, and YouTube could be a great way of getting sales. Like, to give you an example, like the last 2 years or something, I've been doing YouTube advertising all over the place, paid YouTube advertising or Facebook advertising. But I pay an agency to handle that so I could spend time doing videos and stuff like that, you know what I mean? But when I first got started and there was no YouTube, I jumped into Google Ads. And back then it was, you could put in your affiliate link and everything. You didn't even need a landing page. It was crazy back then. And I used to sell keyboards and drum machines and stuff like that because that's what I knew about. I had already sold keyboards and drum machines, and I knew the buyer and the mentality of the buyer really well. And don't get me wrong, when I first started, I read the book, Get Rich Quick and all that, read a couple ebooks on that, talked about Google AdWords. I was like, what? Affiliate marketing? Really? I could do that? So trust me, I tried everything. I tried promoting paid surveys. It was like $2 a click. I was like, what a waste of money. And I lost money in the beginning. But I was like, I need to crack this code. So then I thought to myself, I was like, Commission Junction. They got the Musician's Friend affiliate program there. That's like a rival, like a competitor to Sam Ash, where I used to work. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna jump in and I'm gonna do what I did at Sam Ash. Same thing, I could create an ad group for keyboards, create an ad group for drums, drum sets, and sure enough, I did make money with that campaign. I didn't know how to scale, I didn't know how to do advanced things back then, so it was like this little game I would do with myself, like where I was like, oh, I spent 50 bucks and I made 80 bucks. All right, it's working. The next day was 70 bucks, 60 bucks. I lost $20. It was like really like slim profit margin and stuff in the beginning. And you have to maintain it and everything. Meanwhile, everything else is blowing up. You know, my Beats website is blowing up. I got like a seized card database blowing up. I got all these products that I was building. But I wanted to do affiliate marketing so bad. A friend of mine came over. He's a singer and an artist, an actor. He's looking through this site called Craigslist. I was like, what the heck is that? And so I was like, I wonder if I could sell this stuff on Craigslist. And then sure enough, you know, sometimes you go to Craigslist, you see those ads and be like, in the used car area, it would say cars from $200 at the police auction, etc. And I would promote those offers. I get like $20 commission, $20 commission, $20 commission. So affiliate marketing, it's like, the great thing about it is you don't need your own product, right? You're selling someone else's product. But what you do need now is you need traffic. And so it's not like, oh, affiliate marketing, just because it's someone else's product, it's gonna be a heck of a lot easier for me, right? And that's what a lot of the gurus say. They're like, you know, you don't need inventory, you don't need your own product. It's like all these great things about it, and it's like just as hard as if you had your own product. So the best advice I could give for you is like, you know, in all my videos, they might seem like one thing is on email marketing and the other video is on domaining and the other video is on this or that. Or it might be hey, passive income ideas, be an affiliate marketer, right? The whole main idea is do demos of what you're promoting do your homework when it comes to that product. Whatever you're promoting, it's great to do a demo. Like, so if you're promoting a physical product, you do like a whole unboxing campaign, like you actually buy the product. So that is the best thing you could do, and just do it everywhere. Obviously, if you do a great video and you work a week on one product and represent it to the fullest, doesn't matter where you put that video. In that video, you're like, go to davidrajpari.com to get this product. Like, so you buy davidrajpari.com, you do videos demoing it, and then saying, hey, go to davidrajpari.com to get the coupon, or get, you know, the reason why they should get it from you instead of someone else. And just freaking concentrate the efforts on there. Like when we promoted Scribble, which was an ebook maker, and we came in 9th place on the leaderboard. It was like $1 million launch. We had done a demo video. We didn't even plan it or anything. We did like a demo video, and we ran Facebook ads to that demo video. Do you see what I'm saying? And that drove mad sales. That's the really good advice, is you're right. Start to finish, real easy. You don't need a product, you can just start right now, right? But the thing is that people, when they see your stuff, they're critical of you, you know? Like, people will be like, not interested at all. You have to get people interested and grab their attention, and be good at that. Be good at that presentation part of it. You could be a different type of affiliate marketer. You could be like an SEO guy, and then that's a whole nother game. It's like, hey, get your article. You might have a site where you review people's products and you do SEO knowledge or whatever it is, like you're blogging about something. That's a whole nother way to do it. Then you'd concentrate all your efforts into that. It's like, you want leaves, you know, you want buds to fall off of your limbs of your tree that you grew. Well, you got to grow the tree. You're going to grow the tree. You might not get buds for like a year or 2 years or something. Think of it that way. Now, are you going to grow a whole bunch of, oh, the more trees I grow, and you plant all these trees all over the place, and there's too many of them and they all die or something. You know what I mean? So don't scatter yourself too much. Pick one niche, and then pick one product to work the entire week on, and demo it, talk about it, do another video, do another blog post. Just concentrate all your efforts into that. And then you can get into the idea of product is coming out a month from now. You're gonna do a pre-announcement, tell everyone about it a month from now, you know, in the 2 weeks, oh, I'm so excited for this to come out. And you have your domain name, and you're getting your domain name out there, and people are going, and it's remembering you through the cookie system and everything, and you end up making a whole bunch of commissions. Concentrate all your efforts into one product. That's great advice. All right, so let's talk PPC, pay per click. Assuming you're using Google Ads, all right? You log in, you click on create a new campaign. And so you're gonna figure out if you wanna do a YouTube ad or if you wanna do a Google ad, like that's gonna come out in search listings right at the top. I recommend to read the terms of service so you know what products they want you to promote and which ones they don't let you promote. Like if you're promoting like a gun store or something, or there's some controversial something or other, or an adult, you know, whatever it is, you might not be able to do it. You might have problems. If it's like BizOp, you know, make money $200 every minute, stuff like that, not cool, right? So you're gonna have to formulate and be creative with this. And this is why it's a 7 on the scale of 1 to 10. And then you create your ad. If your ad is on Google, then it's just written words, right? In that case, you have to be a witty writer, or you could use a product that I'm coming out, but I'm not turning this into a plug, all right? At that point, you create your ad, and then you take your pixel and you put it on the thank you page of whatever you're promoting, or on your website. Get some Google Analytics going so you can figure out which ads are resulting in actions, resulting in success. If you don't, it could be like just out the window. You can use your common sense though and segment specific to the keyword, an ad group. The ad to the keyword has to be targeted. So the keyword is like, get your ex back, then it would be like, want to get your ex back? These 10 steps, etc. So that get your ex back goes to get your ex back. Get your husband back would go to, hey, need your man back? Did he leave you for the secretary? Well, read this book, right? So get your wife back wouldn't go to an ad that says get your husband back. That's basic stuff. You set your campaign hopefully up after you have done your landing page, and your landing page has to be a specific landing page too. It can be a comparison, like you probably have seen the Nutra affiliates, they have keyword, go to a comparison of different products, like this one's rated 10, we're rating this 8, we're rating this 7. You've probably seen that too, all right? CPA offers, create different landers. You can use ClickFunnels or you can do it yourself. Have different landers for different campaigns. You should have some type of retaining the traffic you get. This drives me nuts when people don't retain it somehow. You can have a tell a friend button. You could have a way for them to opt in. You could have some type of incentive that keeps them coming back and checking back the next day at the site, reminding them, or you could have a contest. Be creative when it comes to these challenges, like where, look, you just paid 10 cents, 20 cents, $1, $2, $10 for somebody to come to your website. Like someone clicked on the ad, they're at your website now and you have to pay for it. Make the best of it. And if it's not working out, then pause the campaign immediately. I don't want you to be spending hundreds of dollars and stuff. But I'll tell you, when I have a successful campaign, it is done that way. It's like either if it's my own product, I'll even have a special lander for my own product to accommodate the AdWords ad. So it's almost like have your custom landers based upon the headlines that you're using and the subject matter that you're using in your ads. A great affiliate marketer with Pay Per Click has a mathematical mind as well as a creative mind, and is able to organize, like, hey, this ad goes to this lander, that ad goes to that lander, that ad goes to that lander. And then you might have multiple accounts, multiple credit cards, so that AdWords like, nope, not letting you use that one. Then you start up a new account. Same thing with Facebook. So again, I told you it can get really tricky, but this is the best advice I could give you, and I think it could help you, and I could help some advanced marketers with this stuff. Am I an expert at PPC? Heck no, man. I pay someone to do it. But this is really good advice that could help newbies at least get some success. You might want to try something that's less competitive at first. That's something that's also really, really important. Try something that's less competitive so that you're not like trying to spend $2 a click or something, all right? So anyway, hope I answered your question, my brother. Ask more if you want. That's right. Everyone else, please subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna keep doing these. This is so much fun, and thank you very much for watching.